Well, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to do a tool review. This is really intended to go on my website so people will have some information, can see it when they want to order my system. Now the 3/4 inch bar is the go-to bar. It's the most versatile. It still gets into small entry holes and does most of the scale of the work that we want to do. But let's say I want to do smaller things. We might want to get into some smaller entry holes, things like Christmas ornaments or whatnot. So I've got a 1/2 inch boring bar that it's dual purpose. It's got a straight end on one end and a hook end on the other end. But this is what the other end would look like, the hook tool for bulbous shapes like Christmas ornaments and so forth. And when we have the laser for measuring, it makes a whole new ball game in there, even for small things, lidded boxes or whatever that you might want to do. It has an adapter. It goes in the same handle, so we use the same laser, same stability that we have with the larger items.